Did you know that using the wrong motor oil can slowly kill your engine without a single warning light coming on? According to auto industry reports, thousands of engines fail every year simply because drivers use the wrong oil type or viscosity. That tiny mistake can turn into a nightmare, destroying seals, clogging filters, and even warping engine components. The scariest part is, most car owners don't even realize it until it is too late. So in this video, we are breaking down the 9 most dangerous and surprising signs that you are using the wrong motor oil. Stick until the end because I will also share bonus section could save you from a massive repair bill. Let's dive in. Sign number 9, engine running louder than usual. If your engine suddenly sounds louder, rougher, or harsher than normal after an oil change, that's a serious clue you might be using the wrong motor oil. The primary job of oil is to create a smooth film that cushions moving parts like pistons, valves, and bearings, and preventing metal-to-metal contact. When the oil's viscosity is off, that protective layer breaks down, allowing internal components to strike more directly against each other. According to a Society of Automotive Engineers report, incorrect viscosity can increase friction noise by up to 35%. Especially in modern engines designed for low-viscosity synthetics. Research from Mobil 1's lubricant testing lab also found that using oil that's too thin for the engine can cause lifter tapping, knocking, or humming noises due to inadequate hydraulic pressure. Conversely, oil that's too thick doesn't flow fast enough to reach the top-end components, causing loud ticking during cold starts. So, if your once quiet engine suddenly sounds like a diesel truck, or develops new mechanical chatter, don't ignore it. Sign number 8, poor fuel economy. Have you noticed your fuel bill creeping up or your MPG dropping after an oil change? There's a good chance it's related to oil choice. A study of internal combustion engines found that using a higher viscosity oil like 20W50 instead of a lower viscosity 15W30 reduced engine power and increased emissions, indicating more internal friction and less efficiency. When the oil is too thick, the engine has to work harder to pump it, incurring higher drag and thus higher fuel consumption. On the other hand, oil that's too thin doesn't seal the piston rings properly, letting combustion gases escape and lowering your engine's efficiency. Both cases kill your fuel economy. So if your MPG suddenly drops after an oil change, it's not always your tires or air filter. It might be the wrong motor oil sabotaging your mileage. Sign number 7, overheating engine. Your engine doesn't only rely on coolant to stay cool. Your oil does a huge part of that job too. When you use the wrong oil, it can't absorb and transfer heat efficiently. Thinner oil evaporates quickly and leaves hot spots, while thicker oil can't move fast enough through narrow oil passages, trapping heat inside. This imbalance raises your engine temperature and makes it work under stress. If you've ever seen your temperature gauge climbing higher than usual after an oil change, that's not a coincidence. Long-term overheating breaks down oil molecules, causes sludge buildup, and leads to warped engine parts. So before blaming your radiator or thermostat, make sure your oil is the right type, because bad oil choice equals bad cooling. Sign number 6, sluggish or rough cold starts. If your car struggles to start on cold mornings, your oil might be way too thick for your climate. Oil thickens naturally in low temperatures, but if you're using the wrong viscosity, it becomes like molasses, too heavy to flow quickly through your engine. That means your pistons, valves, and crankshaft are grinding with minimal lubrication until the oil warms up. You might hear longer cranking, rough idling, or even brief knocking sounds. Cold start wear is one of the biggest causes of long-term engine damage. That's why automakers recommend specific grades like 0W20 or 5W30. Sign number 5, oil pressure warning light. That little red oil can symbol on your dashboard should never be ignored, especially if it lights up right after an oil change. When oil is too thin, it can't maintain proper pressure inside the system. On the other hand, oil that's too thick might not reach the upper engine parts fast enough, triggering low pressure warnings even though you have plenty of oil in the pan. The wrong viscosity confuses your pressure sensors and leaves your vital components running dry. This is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine silently. If your oil light flickers or stays on after a change, it's not always a bad sensor. It's your engine's way of saying, "You put the wrong stuff in me." Sign number 4, increased engine vibration or rough idling. Does your car suddenly feel rougher at idle or shake more when stopped? That's often a symptom of improper lubrication dynamics caused by wrong oil. When oil viscosity or additive properties don't match the engine design, the cushioning effect between metal components is reduced and leads to increased micro vibrations. The result is, car vibrates more, idles roughly, or feels like it's shuddering at stoplights. You might even notice your steering wheel or seats shaking more than usual. Over time, these vibrations cause tiny misalignments that wear out mounts and bearings. If your car suddenly feels less refined or more rough, your oil could be the invisible culprit behind it. Sign number 2, burning smell or blue smoke from the exhaust. Smelling burnt oil or seeing blue smoke from your tailpipe? That's one of the clearest signs of using oil that's too thin for your engine. Thin oil can slip past piston rings or valve seals and burn up inside the combustion chamber. The result is a bluish haze and that nasty, oily smell every time you accelerate. Not only does this mean your oil level is dropping faster, but it also means your catalytic converter could get damaged over time from oil residue. If you are adding oil frequently, or your exhaust looks like a mosquito fogger, your engine is literally burning through the wrong oil type. And that's money going up in smoke. Sign number 1, sluggish acceleration and poor engine response. If your car feels lazy when you press the gas pedal, it might not be your fuel system. It could be your oil. Wrong viscosity oil increases friction inside your engine, robbing it of the responsiveness it was designed to deliver. Thick oil makes the engine work harder to spin the crankshaft, while thin oil fails to provide the necessary cushioning, leading to inefficient power transfer. The result is sluggish acceleration, especially at low RPMs. You might also notice your car hesitating when shifting gears or struggling to reach higher speeds smoothly. Many drivers blame bad spark plugs or clogged injectors, but sometimes the problem is simply the wrong oil holding your engine back from performing at its best. Now let's discuss how to choose a best suitable engine oil for your car. Secret number 1, check your owner's manual. Your owner's manual isn't just paperwork, it's your car's life guide. It lists the exact oil viscosity and API or ACEA rating that your engine was designed to run on. Using that recommendation ensures your oil matches your car's internal tolerances, temperature ranges, and driving conditions. Even 2 cars with the same engine size can require different oil grades depending on climate and region. Following your manual's recommendation is the easiest way to avoid every problem we talked about today. Secret number 2, match the oil to your climate and driving style. Oil behaves differently in hot and cold weather. If you live in a freezing area, you will need an oil with a lower W number, like 0W or 5W, so that it flows easily in the cold. In hotter climates, an oil with a higher second number, like 40 or 50, helps resist thinning out under extreme heat. Also consider your driving style. Frequent short trips or city driving may call for synthetic oil, which resists breakdown better than conventional types. Your driving environment and habits are just as important as your engine size when choosing the right oil. Secret number 3, look for certifications and quality seals. Never buy oil just because the bottle looks fancy or the price is low. Always look for certification marks like APISN, SP, or ILSA CGF-6 on the label. These ensure the oil meets the latest engine protection standards. Premium brands like Mobil 1, Castrol, and Valvoline consistently meet these certifications and perform better in lab tests. Cheap or uncertified oils may claim to work for all engines, but often lack the additives needed to prevent sludge and wear. The right label means your oil was tested and proven safe, and that peace of mind is priceless. That's all for this video. Those are the 9 warning signs you are using the wrong motor oil. And now, you know exactly how to pick the right one every time. Remember, your oil isn't just lubrication. It's your engine's armor, coolant, and cleaner all in one. Using the wrong type is like feeding your car the wrong blood.